China North Industries Group, Norinco, recently showcased its cutting-edge Type 625E mobile air defense platform in a live-fire exercise conducted by a People's Liberation Army (PLA) air defense unit. This event highlighted the Chinese military's increasing emphasis on preparing ground forces to counter emerging aerial threats, particularly the rapid proliferation of low-flying unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. In an era where drone technology and precision-guided munitions are revolutionizing combat tactics, China is aggressively advancing its integrated, mobile air defense systems. The demonstration underscores the operational readiness of the Type 625E and its strategic value in potential future regional conflicts. The introduction of the Type 625E represents China's forward-looking approach to tackling the growing menace posed by UAVs, which have become a central consideration in global military strategies. This mobile system is built around a robust 8x8 wheeled chassis that supports a combination of an automated 25mm 6-barrel Gatling gun and short-range surface-to-air missiles. Engineered to defend against a variety of low-altitude threats, including drones, helicopters, and incoming precision weapons, the system boasts the capability to operate independently, without relying on a dedicated command vehicle. Its integrated fire control radar and electro-optical targeting modules enable swift and precise engagement of aerial targets. The weapon can unleash thousands of rounds per minute while simultaneously deploying missile strikes, creating a layered defense barrier tailored for complex airspace environments. The Type 625E's rapid development track reflects the PLA's urgent push to counter next-generation aerial threats. From its initial prototype debut a few years back to its current deployment in rigorous unit training and live-fire drills, the system has matured quickly. Recent exercises demonstrated its effectiveness by successfully neutralizing multiple drone targets, marking a significant step forward in both technology and tactical doctrine. This platform is a product of China's comprehensive modernization efforts within its air defense units, incorporating lessons learned from recent conflicts where unmanned systems repeatedly challenged conventional defense architectures. When compared with analogous systems like Russia's Pantsir S-1 or the U.S. Army's Stryker-based IM-SHORAD, the Type 625E stands out for its autonomous operational capability and fully integrated targeting suite. Unlike the Pantsir or IM-SHORAD, which often depend on broader command and control networks, the Type 625E is optimized for decentralized deployment, an important feature for the fast-moving, distributed combat scenarios envisioned in future urban and regional warfare. It marks an evolution from traditional self-propelled anti-aircraft guns toward versatile multi-role air defense vehicles specially adapted to drone countermeasures, a battlefield challenge that older legacy systems frequently struggle to address. From a strategic perspective, the rollout of the Type 625E is a clear signal of China's intent to stay ahead in the evolving domain of unmanned aerial threats. Its integration into PLA drills highlights a deliberate effort to ready Chinese forces for combat environments dominated by drone swarms, loitering munitions, and precision strike weapons. This capability not only enhances China's own territorial defense but also has significant geopolitical ramifications, showcasing an advanced point defense technology that could be deployed in contested Indo-Pacific areas or supplied to allied nations. The PLA's transition toward such systems mirrors global military trends emphasizing dominance over contested low-altitude airspace as a decisive factor in future multi-domain operations. The newly released footage of the Type 625E engaging drone targets marks a pivotal development in China's military evolution. It confirms that PLA air defense units are swiftly adapting to the rapidly changing landscape of aerial warfare. As nations worldwide intensify their efforts to build effective counter-UAV defenses, China's Type 625E emerges as a formidable asset, establishing the country as a key contender in the race to secure ground forces against modern aerial threats.